Well, there's a bridge and there's a river that I still must cross as I'm going on my journey. Though I might be lost, and there's a road I have to follow, a place I have to go. Well, no one told me just how to get there, but when I get there I know, 'cause I'm taking it step by step, bit by bit, stone by stone, yeah, brick by brick, oh yeah, step by step, day by day, mile by mile. And this old road is rough and ruined, so many dangers along the way, so many burdens might fall upon me, so many troubles that I have to face. Oh, but I won't let my spirit fail me. No, I won't let my spirit go until I get to my destination. I'm gonna take it slow because I'm making enough.
On behalf of my late husband Alan, and myself and my children and my parents and my family, I just want to say thank you very much, Jack and the girls. You're right. I don't think I would have been able to make it this far and complete my 16 treatments if it wasn't for you beautiful people. I have no other words but thank you from the bottom of my heart.
God bless all of you.